Welcome to part 2 of the Veritas Programming. The first video I covered how to change the zone types, and this video I'm going to go through how to change them on a part set. So to start off with, pin in the entry code, or if you're just carrying off the video, just scroll through the menu and find zone change. So if you're watching from the previous video, you'll be at zone type. All you want to do is go down one to zone change. Press yes. And it asks you what change you'd like to make to the system. Remove 3, meaning that on part set 1, it's going to make the change. On part set 1, it asks you what you want to change to entry exit. In this case, I'm going to have the front door. I have a list here. It's always good to have a list with them all written down for this stage. So I've changed the front door to entry exit, the back door to entry exit, and I'm going to change the hallway to entry exit. For access, I'm going to have just the kitchen, which is zone 4. And for guard, I'm going to have the living room, and that's it. That's it for part set 1. Part set 2, I'm going to use for a perimeter only setting. So part set 2, I'm going to remove 3 as an entry exit, remove 4 as that, and remove 5 for that. 2 is literally going to be doors in this case. And we'll come to that in a second. You just carry on the same again. 3 if you want into part set 3, 4 for part set 4. People use 3 and 4 for things such as animals, if you keep a dog in the kitchen, for example. And that's all the changes I'm going to make to the system so far. So I'm going to come out and go to suits. Here's zone disable. If you're only using zones 1 to 6, for example, 7 and 8 and not in use, push in 7 and 8, hit yes, and it'll turn them off. In this case, every zone's in use on this system. So press yes, yes again, and it's asking for what I want to set on full suit. In this case, I want everything set, so I'm going to leave that the same. But if you, for example, have the kitchen permanently set to a dog, you could press 4, which in this case is the kitchen, and it'll remove it from the lineup. I'm going to ask you what you want to have set on part set 1. I want everything but the landing, which is zone 6. So I left zone 6 off and press yes. Remember I said that part set 2 was going to be just the doors. So I'm going to remove everything else and just leave 1 and 2. Part set 3 I'm not really using, so I'll leave that for now. And same with 4. And the next one you get to is chimes. This is for when you have a chime for if somebody comes through the front door, the chime goes off. So I'm going to set this for the front and back door. Cleaner zones means that you can have certain zones that don't get turned off by a certain person, which we'll come to when we go through user setting up. And don't worry about anything else really. Back to the start and come out the menu. I just want to run a few tests to make sure that it's working fine, and then you're happy with your part sets. Watching in for my next video then, which is how to change codes and set up users. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.